Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use PCM600 software. First, let's get acquainted with its core functionalities. This software is essential for configuring and managing protection and control devices, providing a streamlined approach to complex engineering tasks. Its intuitive interface helps you navigate through settings and parameters with ease, ensuring efficient project execution. We'll cover the basics to get you started. Next, we'll explore the PCM600 interface. Familiarize yourself with the main menu and toolbar, which provide quick access to essential functions. The Project Explorer is your central hub for managing devices and their configurations. You can also customize your workspace to suit your preferences, enhancing your overall productivity. This step is crucial for efficient software operation. Now, let's dive into device configuration. We'll show you how to add and connect new protection and control devices within the software. You'll learn to set up fundamental parameters, such as IP addresses and communication protocols, ensuring proper device interaction. Performing initial parameterization is key to getting your devices ready for operation and testing. This is where your engineering work truly begins. Finally, we'll touch upon some advanced features and helpful tips. PCM600 offers powerful tools for signal engineering and complex logic configuration, allowing for sophisticated control schemes. We'll also discuss effective troubleshooting methods to resolve common issues quickly. Adopting best practices for project maintenance and updates will ensure long-term success and system reliability. You'll be a pro in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.